One of the most impressive standard features on the Ridgeline is the dual action tailgate. Lower it down by pulling up on the upper handle. With the tailgate lowered, it reveals these molded tailgating seats. The tailgate can hold up to 300 pounds. Or swing it out by pulling up on the lower handle. It's that easy. No other truck has a tailgate that can open both ways. Swinging it open from the side also makes for very easy loading and unloading and gives easy access to the lockable in-bed trunk. And it gives buyers a bonus of 7.3 cubic feet of storage space. You can store tools, groceries, or clothes, or valuable items. Whatever you put in it will stay dry, secure, and clean. It can also accommodate a large cooler or serve as the cooler itself. You just load it up with ice. To empty the water out, there's a convenient drain plug at the bottom. It's perfect for dirty or wet gear like wetsuits, towels, and toys. A word of advice: when you open the trunk, make sure you open it all the way to prevent it from closing under its own weight. The spare tire is tucked away nicely in the in-bed trunk. Just remove the two tray bolts holding it in place. Pull the tray out using the handles and hook the rear of the tire to the guides on the back edge of the in-bed trunk. Then undo the wing bolt, remove the toolbox, and remove the spare. It's a good idea to stow the spare in the truck bed when you're hauling a lot of stuff because access to the in-bed trunk will likely not be available once the bed is full. The in-bed trunk is simple to use. When equipped with the smart entry feature, it will automatically lock when you lock the doors by pushing the door lock button on the driver or passenger's front door handles. If the doors are locked and you want access to the in-bed trunk only, with the remote in your pocket or your bag, approach the trunk, and within 30 inches, you can open it without touching the remote key. Don't drive with the trunk lid open to avoid damaging it. And see the owner's manual for details on attaching the spare or flat tire to the bed behind the cab to keep it secure.